City Montessori School in India is the first school to be the world's largest city school with over 35,000 students on roll, with a determination and fortitude for a uniform world order, world peace and unity, which is the requirement of our times. The principals, teachers, students and the various office staff at CMS who are sensitized to the cause of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The earth is one family and mankind its citizens strive to spread the motto of Jai Jagat, hail to the world in the society at large. The alternative to struggle, combat, disillusion, hatred, prejudice, ugliness and all that tatters the fabric of human relations is peace. At City Montessori School, the focus and spiritual foundation of all academic and pedagogical activity is the promotion of peace in the minds of the youth. Not as a random selection, not an arbitrary choice, but a well-considered, calculated determination to instill the values of peace and harmonious living in every aspect. To promote world peace and unity, the seeds are to be sown in the minds of the children at a very tender age. And also, children need to be sensitized as well as energized to be able to recognize, to be able to speak out and have the wisdom to take the right action towards peaceful and united existence. The concept of peace cannot exist in vacuum. Peace is not an aerostat concept, but a reality that is concretized in the attempts made by the institution to foster global living and international understanding. As a lighthouse of society, CMS has been taking out peace marches from time to time for one cause or the other. With a physical atmosphere that promotes the concept of peace as a real alternative to struggle, it is no wonder that children here grow up in an environment where peaceful negotiation is considered the prime option to settle any dispute.
World peace! We want World Court of Justice.
Although global jurisprudence is resting in peace, now is your time to resurrect the global law.
Enforceable international law is the idea whose time has come.
Abolish nuclear weapons and conserve the environment.
We want a united and a peaceful world.
Please call an urgent meeting of world leaders for world unity.
Resurrect global
Unite the world.
Establish one system of education in the world.
Call an urgent meeting of world leaders without any further delay.
Unite the world leaders for world unity.
Have one world currency.
Have one world language.
Establish
The rule of law.
Democratize United Nations.
World's most powerful nation has brought about a change by electing its new president, Barack Obama, a non-white, thus bringing in winds of change that in the world of today, discrimination based on color, caste and creed has to go, and in its place it is the wisdom, understanding and sincerity towards world peace, unity, brotherhood of nations, just and unified law for the citizens of the world has to reign supreme in the hearts and the minds of the people in position, and it will be the underlying guiding force for the people who matter. Today, on this meritorious Felicitation Day function, let me describe this huge rally taken out by the founder manager of City Montessori School, Mr. Jagdish Gandhi, principals, and 5,000 students studying in various branches of City Montessori School. This is the spirit of equal participation by the entire management, the entire team CMS. As you can see, the rally is approaching towards the World Unity Convention Center auditorium. Today being the big day for this world, as today is the day of change. While the America sleeps, India wakes up, and City Montessori School in Lucknow wakes up to make an appeal to President of America, Barack Obama. Now, as you can see, the rally is approaching towards World Unity Convention Center. There is a huge big poster that says, "The choice has been made. Change has come to America." Barack Obama will be swearing in as the 44th President of America. Obama's victory creates the prospect of a new, real America. America, once again, is younger, more optimistic. It is a place, finally, where the context of the president's character is more important than the color of his skin.
CMS के जवान गाए एकता का गान.
Followed by the World Peace Prayer is the all religion prayer children, who are all dressed in colorful gowns, walking together, an harmonious sight indeed, holding placard, and each placard makes a fervent appeal.
के जवान गाए एकता का गान, हमें रोक ना सकेगा कोई आंधी और तूफान, हमें रोक ना सकेगा कोई आंधी और तूफान. CMS के जवान गाए एकता का गान.
Today is an indeed heartening sight to see these children all out walking for the world's 2 billion children and generations yet to be born. It is the students at CMS, all 5,000 students today here are marching for their brethren in the world. A heartening sight indeed.